Kari here. My Techniquilters membership focuses on assisting quilters who have purchased a quilt design software to finally master using the software. This was my second time through Tribe. This year I set a goal for myself to create a second level of membership for those that had been in the program for a minimum of 12 months. I was worried that this group was getting overwhelmed with the quantity of lessons, and I saw that it was starting to impact retention. The Master's membership will provide less tutorials each month, going from 13 to 4, but will provide additional encouragement and support as they work on their own designs. I was also getting burned out producing 13 videos every month and knew that I needed to put something in place that would allow for a more balanced personal life. Going through the course, but probably more specifically listening to Stu's 10 in 10s, helped me crystallize the message that I needed as I rolled out the new program. The rollout was probably a little more complicated than Stu would recommend, but it worked. I'm finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel starting in 2020. I just finished a graduation ceremony, can you see my balloons? For my 97 new Masters members, with invitations to watch sent out to all my current members, approximately 450. It was a blessing to share photos of what members have done as well as reflections on their journeys with the group. As an added bonus, those stories and photos finally set me up with the stories for the next full launch of my membership, something I've been wanting to do since Tribe 2018. Thanks so much to the Tribe team for an exceptional experience, and I look forward to seeing many of you at Tribe Live in Toronto. Tribe Live was my bonus for getting the TKQ Masters program in place.